In this guide, I'll show you how to fix stick drift on your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con controller with no tools. So on the Switch home menu, we're going to go to System Settings. On the left sidebar, you want to scroll all the way down, and we're going to go to Controllers and Sensors. Then scroll over to the right, and we're going to scroll down, and you want to ensure that your controllers are up to date. So when your controllers are up to date, the next thing we're going to do is go to Calibrate Control Sticks. And with one of the Joy-Con controllers using the analog stick, you want to tilt it to the side for a few seconds. And from here, in order to calibrate the sticks, you want to press X on your Joy-Con controller and go to Calibrate. Now what this is going to do is bring up this screen, and you want to tilt in the direction of where that triangle is in release. As you can see, the stick drift on these Joy-Cons are pretty bad. Now I'm going to do this other side, and we're going to do this top side as well. Then you want to do these rotations a couple times, and the calibration will be complete. Now here you can see it does look a little bit better. It's still a little bit finicky. And if you're still experiencing issues, click on the video in the description or pinned in the top comment.